What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So it's a very short tutorial video. This phone is running 60 fps right now. So in this video I'm gonna change into 90 fps. Yes, there is no 90 fps available, like comeback, smooth, extreme. So what we're gonna do, it's the simple step like before. You have to download file. I will show you, which I will put in the link below. You can find in the description. It's already downloaded. So it's downloaded. It's already 90 fps unlocked version, active.zip. By the way, it works with a BGMI also, so you don't have to worry about it. It's gonna be probably working any version of PUBG Mobile, BGMI, or even Korean PUBG, right? You just need to list copy. When you have a paste item like this, then it's ready to go. What you have to do is go inside internal storage, Android, data, find a PUBG Mobile directory folder, com.tencent.ig, files, U4 game, status tracker extra, saved games, and over here paste it, overwrite, and it's done. So close this one and open PUBG Mobile, and 90 fps should be unlocked. So it doesn't matter PUBG Mobile or BGMI, it should work perfectly fine for your device. Yeah, as you can see already, 90 fps is working already very quickly. Just a few steps and we have perfectly 90 fps available. Yeah, the file is in the link below in the description. Enjoy 90 fps. If any confusion, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more content like this.